Are you looking for a vegetarian meal that tastes like a trip to the Mediterranean? We are about to reveal the secret to making restaurant-quality pasta in just 25 minutes. Today, we explore a classic Italian staple, the creamy tomato mushroom pasta. Unlike store-bought jars, this recipe uses fresh diced tomatoes and spinach to create a vibrant base. The magic happens when we add earthy mushrooms. These act as the meat of our dish, providing a satisfying texture that makes this recipe perfect for anyone seeking a hearty vegetarian option. For the sauce, we combine light cream cheese with Parmesan. This simple technique creates a rich, velvety texture without needing heavy cream or complicated reduction methods. You can easily prepare this entire meal in about 20 to 25 minutes. It is a true weeknight savior, requiring no stovetop work if you choose the baked version with goat cheese. Don't forget the finishing touches. A generous dusting of Parmesan and a fresh sprinkle of basil transport your taste buds directly to Naples, Italy. This dish proves that comfort food doesn't need meat or hours of cooking. It is a filling, delicious recipe that will surely become your new favorite dinner. What is your absolute favorite ingredient to pair with pasta? Let us know in the comments below and subscribe for more deep dives into delicious cooking science.